3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a hard fall right there. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, it is face down, so let's go ahead and see. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at some cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We got tons of cases here by our friends over there at Ringke. They provide great looking cases, not only looking great, but giving great protection as well. And not only that, but they are also very affordable. So after we're done taking a look at all of these cases right here, we're going to go outside and do a couple of drop tests to see how well they are going to protect your device as well. So let's go ahead and go over pricing first. The first ones I have over here to my left are the Fusion cases going for $9.99, and then we got the Ringke Onyx case right here, which is actually one of my favorites, going for $8.99, and then we got the Fusion-X cases over here going for $12.99, and then we got the Air lineup right here going for $9.99. So as you can see, very affordable. The most expensive one is $12.99, which you can't beat at all. And not only that, but they also hooked it up with a case for my Samsung Galaxy Buds right here, which goes for $9.99 on Amazon as well. And if by the end of this video you find yourself interested in any of these cases right here, I will make sure to drop some links down in the description below. But for more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and start off from left to right here. We will start off with the Fusion case lineup. Let me go ahead and get this on. As you can see, it goes on very easily, nice and snug, so it doesn't feel loose like it's gonna fall off or anything like that. You got a nice, pretty good cutout for the camera, so if you happen to drop it on its back like that, hopefully you should not get any damage done to the cameras. Let's go ahead and check out the cutouts. Cutouts are looking good. You got the S Pen, you got the speaker, the USB Type-C charging port, and the microphone, and the S Pen comes out very well. So you can see that, not too hard to take out. And then you got the buttons on the side. Let's go ahead and check those out. Power button working good. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good as well. And as you can see, it gives you a little cutout for the top speaker as well. So let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Let's see if that works. Boom, wireless charging is good to go. So let's go ahead and try on the other one. Here we go. And this is the Smoke Black Fusion case right here, which is one of my favorite clear cases because while still being clear, you still get a smoke black finish, and it actually goes really well with the color of this device right here. So it actually looks really good. I'm actually really liking this Smoke Black Clear Fusion case right here. And it's gonna be the exact same way as the other one. And they don't feel bulky either. They feel nice and slim, and they're gonna give your device great protection. Like I said, you got a good lip on the top and the bottom, so if you happen to drop it face down, hopefully you should not get any damage done to your display, unless of course you drop it on a big pointy rock or anything like that. Then yes, obviously that will crack the display, but for the most part, you're going to get some good protection with these cases right here. All right, so next up we got the Ringke Onyx case, which is one of my favorite cases. I recently featured this in my most recent video before this one. I really like the texture in the back. It's got a nice texture to it, and then you got a design change on the bottom and at the top as well, but it's really nice and smooth as well. Very comfortable in the hands, fits really good in the hands. You got a nice deep cutout for the cameras. This is going to give you a little bit more protection than the Fusion case lineup over here. And then you have the cutouts on the bottom, which also look very good. You got the mic, charging port, speaker, and then easy access to the S Pen as well. Looking good. And then you got the buttons on the left side. Power button working good. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good as well. And you also got that cutout for the speaker up top. And then you got cutouts for the mics up top as well. So everything is looking good. Like I said, this is one of my favorite cases out of all of them. The sides, everything fits very good in the hands. Doesn't feel too bulky either. It's going to give you some nice protection if you happen to drop it face down on its screen. As you can see, you got some nice lips on the bottom and the top as well. So that is the Ringke Onyx case. Let's check for wireless charging really quick before we move on to the next one. Wireless charging working good. So let's go ahead and move on to the Fusion-X lineup. Okay, so all of these are going to be pretty much the same style, just different colors and also a different print on some of these. So this one is blue, and this is going to be more of a rugged case compared to these two, even though this one will give you more protection than this one, but I feel that this one is going to give you better protection than all the cases that we see right here. So you can see you get an even deeper cutout for the camera, get a nice rugged edges all around, but still feeling good in the hands. It doesn't feel too bulky or anything like that. Still feels pretty slim, and it's a nice hard plastic in the back. It's not flimsy or anything like we see on these. These are a little bit flimsier. This one is not going to be like that. Let me go ahead and pick this one up. This one is a little bit harder. It does bend a little bit, but it is not as flimsy. So let's go to the bottom. So you can see we got the cutouts at the bottom looking good. Easy access to the S Pen. There we go. Let's go ahead and check out the buttons. Power button, working good. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers working good as well. All right, and then you got the cutout up top for the speaker, and then the cutouts up top for the microphones as well. But as you can see, you got even better protection up here on the corner, so if you happen to drop it on its corner like that, you should be good. And then you got some nice slips at the top and the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Wireless charging is a go, so that is looking good. Let's go ahead and try out these other ones right here. So here we got the Camel Black. Now this is another one of my favorites. I use this one on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and my OnePlus 7 Pro as well. I absolutely love this case. Look at that. Looking really good. Exact same as the other one. Cutouts are going to be the same button layout and everything, but I really just like this design in the back, the black camo. Like I said, if you're interested in any of these cases, I will make sure to leave a link down in the description below. But let's go ahead and try out the very last one. And here we are. This is the Black Fusion-X, still giving you a clear backing right there, but you got the black edges all around. So this one is not looking too bad either. Actually looking pretty good. And like I said, it's going to give you some great protection. All right, so moving on to the last of them. This is their Air lineup, and this is more of a sleek design here. It's a lot more slimmer than any of their other cases, but it still gives you a pretty good cutout for the camera. But this seems like a case that's going to protect you more from scratches and light falls. I would not do any heavy drops with this case at all. It is very thin, but it actually looks really good. It's got a nice matte soft finish to it, so I really like this. This might be something good if maybe you're going out to eat, going out for dinner or anything like that. You got the nice cutouts at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the S Pen. Easy access to the S Pen. Now you do get a little bit of a lip on the top and the bottom. Not as much as the other cases, but still a little bit of a lip in case you happen to drop it face down like that. It should protect it a little bit. Like I said, from light falls. You don't want any heavy falls with this case. Let's check out the buttons. Power button working good. Let's go ahead and check out the volume rockers. Volume rockers were good as well. Got the cutout for the speaker up top and the microphones up top. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Boom, wireless charging is working good and actually feels really good in the hands. Like I said, it is not bulky at all whatsoever. This might be their slimmest case yet. So let's go ahead and see what the other cases look like on this device. Let me take this one off. We got a black one right here. Let's go ahead and throw that on there. Nice matte black finish to it. Now it does leave a little bit of fingerprints on there, so you might find yourself wiping it down a little bit, but it actually looks really, really good. I really like this one. Let's go ahead and go on to the next one. The next one is actually a clear one, so if you still want to show off that beautiful backing of your device, especially if you have that Aura Glow color or the white color, this case is going to look good on that as well. You got a little bit of Ringke branding on the bottom, but this is the clear one. Like I said, should work with wireless charging. All these cases work with wireless charging. You're going to be good. Let's go ahead and try out the last one. This last one is more of like a creamish, pinkish color, I would say. And it actually looks really nice. The ladies might actually really like this one. So if you're interested in any of these cases right here, like I said, I will leave some links down in the description below. But I think it's time to go ahead and go outside and do what we've all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and do some drop tests. Now, I'm not going to use these super slim ones for the drop test because, like I said, you're only going to want to have these on if you're planning on trying not to drop your device. They'll protect it from light falls, but I wouldn't do any heavy drops or anything like that. But we will go ahead and test out these three cases outside right now. So let's go ahead and go get that started. All right, so I have made my way outside, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Fusion-X black camo case. Look at that, looking beautiful. And I also wanted to point out that I did take off the screen protector, the pre-installed screen protector that was on the device. Not sure if you can tell right there. There you go. I just took it off before I came out here, so you can see there is no screen protector on here. So I'm a little bit nervous to do this, but let's go ahead and do this. Let's not wait any longer. In 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, all right, let's do it one more time before we check it. But look at the S Pen did pop out, so we're gonna have to pop that right back in. Let's go ahead and do this one more time. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a hard fall right there, but I still don't see any cracks or scratches on the display. Look at that, the S Pen did pop out once again. Let me go ahead and pop that right back in there. Now I'm gonna throw it just a little bit higher here. This is about a 5-foot drop right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, it is face down, so let's go ahead and see, and it looks like no damage was done. Look at that. Let me go ahead and take the case off real quick so we can go ahead and check the back as well. All right, so here we are. I'm looking at the back, and it looks like we don't have any cracks or scratches, so everything is looking good so far. Good job with that, Ringke. Let's go ahead and move on to the next case. Okay, so next up we have the clear Fusion case on there. Look at that. You can see the beauty of the phone right there, looking absolutely beautiful. But let's go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, that slammed down pretty hard. I'm not sure if you can hear that as good as I can here on camera, but it looks like there's no cracks or scratches on the display. Looking good. I'm trying to get it to focus there, but it is looking good so far, as you can see right there. And the back, I don't see any cracks through the screen protector. So let's go ahead and do this one more time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. And I don't see any cracks or scratches on the display. You know what, let's go ahead and see how well it functions after these drop tests. Still working good, no problems at all. So let's go ahead and move on to the next case. All right, so here we are, last case for this drop test. Now this one better do good because this is one of my favorite cases that I like to use. So this is gonna be my first time actually dropping it with this case, and I'm hoping it does good. So let's go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that hit hard, but it looks like it still protected the device really, really good. Look at that, no cracks, no scratches. I don't even see any cracks on the camera. We will take this off in a bit to check the back. But let's go ahead and do this one more time. This is about 5 feet right here. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, let's go ahead and check it out. Let's check it out. Now, the S Pen did fall out like earlier. I think that's gonna be a common thing if you do happen to drop your Note device on the ground. You're gonna get that S Pen popping out every time. But as far as the display goes, look at that. No screen protector needed. The case protected it very, very well. Let me go ahead and take it off so we can go ahead and check out the back. All right, and this is the back of the device. Everything is looking good. What is that right there? Looks like it's just a little speck. Yes, everything looks absolutely good. Let's go ahead and check out how well it functions. And the phone is still functioning very, very well. So everything is looking good. Great job with those cases, Ringke. All right. So there it is. We got to look at all the cases, see how they fit, how everything works with these cases on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And we also got to see a couple of drop tests to see just how well they're going to protect your device if you drop it from about 5 feet. So as you can see, they all work pretty good. Like I said, these ones I didn't do a drop test on because these are going to be more of a slimmer case right here, something that's going to protect it just more from scratches and light falls. But for the rest of these, if you're looking for a good protective case that's not too bulky but that also looks cool, looks good, these are some great cases to choose from. Like I said, I will throw some links down in the description below in case you find yourself interested. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a like on this video if you did like it. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos like this to come in the near future. I got tons more videos to come. So like I said, leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the